A warm welcome to a quick demo on powerful PowerShell. This is a part of Tech Boss program to help you and many to be your own boss with the power of tech magic. These are based on my actual past or current paid trainings. You learn over 100 plus technologies. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not and keep yourself updated. So powerful PowerShell is very interesting. So I'm flooded with requests on PowerShell recently, and many boot camps are going on, like 7 day or 21-day boot camp. And many say that PowerShell is interesting, and they're taking many live sessions for the first time. They find it very helpful when someone is there to guide, and they learn many shortcuts during the live program. Now let's jump into what is PowerShell. PowerShell is a powerful app to solve problems. It's a scripting environment, a scripting engine running on top of .NET environment, and almost any AI is possible without complex UI. So you can take it as free chat GPT. It'll be free if you have Windows, and it's also operating on Linux. And you don't need to be a powerful coder. Why PowerShell? Because it's very easy to learn. I come across many administrators who are actually who don't know coding at all, and they come to me for like PowerShell is very easy because you can learn it in probably 7 days, 3 days, 21 days, and few months. But to master probably few months. But it's very easy compared to many other programming languages. Many other programming languages, you need to have a computer science degree, you need to do many apps. It takes a lot of time. In PowerShell, in few lines, you can do many things way faster. So automation, it didn't start off as an automation engine. Right now so much of automation is possible, and many platforms have made PowerShell mandatory. For example, when I was working in SharePoint, PowerShell was made mandatory, and a lot of deployments were going on with PowerShell. And you can manage almost any product in PowerShell like Windows, Amazon, SharePoint, VMware. And currently I get requests from various companies, and they ask for PowerShell scripting support. So let's move on to some sample companies that are using PowerShell. Companies like Tesco, Target, Roblox, and many, many organizations. And my own business, I heavily use PowerShell. It's very simple. I use it innovatively to speed up my task in my business. When I say I can reach thousands easily or millions easily, that is the power of PowerShell. And this it's really magical. I don't have to write huge lines of code. I've tested various programming languages, and for me, this is one of the easiest way to get things done without anyone's help with the power of code. So coming to the benefits, you can create creative applications and you can save a lot of time and money. It's a joy using PowerShell. It's a pure joy. And probably I have delivered a lot of training sessions and multiple technologies. And this is the fastest, okay? You don't have to worry about much installation, and you can finish this fast. And people really enjoyed. And really, many were really thanking, and they really found my PowerShell training very easy. And it was, of course, my trainings are good, but and especially the PowerShell trainings are very fast and quick to do. Other technologies, if you see, they might take a longer time, but this is very fast, and they get started off very easily. And every assignment they give, they do. So that is the beauty. So recently, one boot camp was completed, and every day the assignments the learners are doing. And other technologies, some people might skip, but the web development and PowerShell, it's very easy, and you can be valuable in the market when you learn PowerShell. So coming to some sample applications. So we'll just look at some demo of some sample application. You can do a lot of coding and managing systems, and we are going to look at some sample demo like speaking text, like coding music, and so I'm just going to start off with a simple script where I wrote a script to create music, and this can be very soothing to my mind, especially I want to listen to music which the computer has done. It's just computer is generating some random music, and let's play it and see what's going to do. So the wind is blowing and the music this computer is giving is very soothing to me. I hope you really liked it. So there's so much you can do once you delve into the coding. And let's look at this example where this is for a one corporate training. This example was used. So this is a function. It's going to speak the text out. So let's say these are some of your qualities, and we're going to read that out. So these are like the AI capabilities without any fancy UI. So it's just that computer, if you remember in Windows long back, you just had to type and log in. So there's so much you can do with just typing. Of course, you have things like Power Apps, Power BI, a lot of things. But I still feel like when you do complex applications, I would rather finish it off in simple for loop rather than try to drag and drop the conditions and all. So it's sometimes way easier to type or write things to get things done. So here is another application which is just going to draw an image. So So here is a sample report where I'm just gathering the data from SharePoint, but this is a demo where to help you understand the real world where you might have to analyze the servers around the globe or analyze Windows or like Amazon or Azure or whatever environment it is, you can interact with that system and display the report and group it if needed. So PowerShell is very powerful to actually analyze data, move data from one system to another, and extremely powerful for automating. That is, you can run scheduled tasks to make it run at regular intervals. So PowerShell has is evolving. It's been good from the beginning where there are few commands. If you learn, you don't need to code. You can code without Google. Without Google, you can easily code, and this more it's all you're going to use the head and create UI. It's not that you're going to just use an UI. You're going to be the creator of UI here, and it's going to be platform independent. Before it was only for Windows, but now it's working even on Linux. So thank you so much. You're an awesome app creator. And if you're interested in the boot camps or the online instant course or an exclusive course for the custom topics, or if you need a tech support in PowerShell, uh, you're welcome to register from thangu.com/tt. The registration is free. There are a lot of requests coming in from various technologies, and PowerShell is there's a lot of demand also for PowerShell from many administrators around the globe. And so crash course means I would recommend a crash course if you are new to PowerShell. And when you come to Thangu Academy, you'll be given access to the live practical exposure you'll get. It's not just that you're watching videos, you're going to submit the assignments and you're going to get it reviewed by an expert. And so you're going to do and learn. So if you're interested to join any groups and interact with other like-minded professionals, you're more welcome to join the tech circle. Go to thangu.com/groups and join the tech circle. And wish you grand success. Take care and see you in another video soon.